Don't give up, fight a little harder. Let nothing come and change your mind. Trust the voice that you have inside you that tells you you are good enough. I know you got it in you. All that you've been through makes you much stronger now. Know that whatever happens, take every chance and don't be afraid to try. Share your passion now. Share your passion now. Share your passion now. If you care for it, they will listen. Believe in everything you do, 'cause it's good with a bit